everyone, welcome to my channel. Well, if you're in the FPV hobby, you probably own a Betafpv 95X. This here is a drone that came out a while ago. It had a version 1, version 2, and this is the version 3. And it's probably one of the most popular FPV drones on the market for people in the FPV hobby because it's a pusher drone, very small, can carry a camera, and everybody flies it around areas going in and out and under things, and you get that really awesome video that makes you scratch your head and go, how do they do that? This is the drone that does it. Well, I love this drone, but in one of my previous videos, I'm giving you the backstory here, I said, hey, look, GetRC came out with the CineLog 25. Doesn't it look identical? Well, it is. It's pretty much identical, except the one on the GetRC in my review video, I think I said it was a bit more powerful. So my friends at Betafpv saw that and they go, what are you talking about, Steve? What do you mean? What do you mean this is more powerful than the most amazing Betafpv 95X version 3? And they said, well, you know, we do have new motors for it and new props that will make it extremely powerful. So they sent them to me here. So this box contains 4 motors, and they sent me these new props, which they're on it. They're 3-blade. The previous ones were like 5-blade. So they're on it, these props, and let me just read what they are. New props are GemFan D63 3-blade prop. And the motors they sent me are 1404 motors at 4500 kV. They're rather large in size compared to the existing motors on this here drone. Now, I've already upgraded this, so if you're looking at it and going, well, you know, it's got 3-blade props on it and bigger motors, that's because I upgraded it. And I'm going to tell you right now, spoiler alert, it's like amazing. With the upgrade of the motors and the props, this thing here is like a rocket now. You know, it's still a pusher drone, but it is a rocket. It really moves. So let me show you how I upgraded this, because when I received the motors and the props, I did the upgrade and I ran my camera just to capture it, just in case anybody wants to do the same thing. And this is how you do it, so watch this. So when you order the 1404 motors at 4500 kV, you'll see they come in this small case, and inside that case, everything you need to install the motors is included. First thing you're going to do is remove the bottom plate off your 95X drone, and you do that by removing all the screws. It's self-explanatory where the screws are. Just take them out and the bottom plate will come off. Next thing we have to do is remove the propellers. So each propeller is held in place by 2 screws. Remove those 2 screws and the propellers will just come off. Just pull them straight up and they will come off. After you get the propellers off, now you can pull the bottom plate off the drone and have a look at all the electronics underneath. Oh, but we're not finished there. Next thing you have to do is remove the motor. So each motor is held in place by 4 screws. Undo the 4 screws and the motors will fall off. You will notice that each motor is attached to the flight controller by a cable. And the cable is just a simple little connector on the end of it. You can unplug that cable and it comes right out of the flight controller. First thing you're going to notice is the new motors, the 1404 motors, are massively large in size compared to the existing motors. So inside your little installation box that came with the motors, you will find 4 little carbon fiber risers. Take those risers and put them underneath the motors when you mount them onto their spot. So screw the motors back into place with the 4 screws and plug each motor into the flight controller board. You know, it's got a little plug at the end, just plug it right in where you unplug the other ones. Once all 4 motors are installed, you can then install the new props. So once you get the new props on, just make sure you put them on correctly. I'm just going to bring this close to show you what the props look like when they're on correctly. There you go. That's what the props look like when they're on correctly. You can make the mistake of installing them incorrectly, and you'll know you have them on incorrectly if the drone doesn't fly, or it just flips over in the ground, or it has no power. If you have them on correctly, well, then it has a crap load of power and it goes. So what I want to show you next is me flying this around a park, because I'm just testing out the motors for the very first time, and that's when I was kind of blown away about how much power they have. Check this out. All right, we're all set to go. Let's just plug this in. There we go. All right, it's early morning. Let's fly. I haven't flown analog for a while. Now I have to watch out. There's a family in the park and they know I'm here, but they have 2 little kids and they're just running everywhere, so I got to stay away from them. All right, let's arm this. Let's take it on up. Well, already it seems a lot more punchy and fast than the one that I did receive out of the box. I'm just going to fly around me here for a bit just to see. Yeah, there I am there. Wow. This is, look at I'm just curious now. Look at this. I got a ton of upwards power. I can roll it. I can flip it. This is, yeah. They weren't lying. There's more power, guys. There's more power. So there's my beautiful park over here. You can see there's little kids over on one of the structures. So I'm just going to come down low over this way. Stay out of these areas. And just fly over here. This is analog, but it's got the most awesome of reception. So you can go, you know, a fair distance away. I'm just going to fly slow when I'm flying over here in the park, just in case those little ankle biters come running out of a corner. It's happened to me before. Even though the mom knows I'm here, she can't control the kids because they're just excited to be at the park and they'll run everywhere. So I'll just stay where kids won't run, which means just stay off all of the play structures. So let me just fly over here between things. Go over here down this side of the park. You can see we had some rain. It's a little chilly out this morning, but still it's nice. Under my truck. I always love doing that. All right, there I am over there. Let's bring it down so that it is on the sidewalk beside me here. And let's come down right beside my little camera. There we go. Now, of course, this review wouldn't be complete without something going wrong, because things always go wrong, because I'm so absent-minded sometimes. So I was flying this drone, and I was so impressed with, you know, how much power it had. I changed batteries. You already saw one flight. I changed batteries, put another battery on, and was flying it around. And as I was flying, the mother of the kids who were at the park came over and she's chatting with me. You know, how's it going? Hey, what are you doing this weekend? Blah, 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 all that good stuff. And I lost track of time. And I kept on flying this around, not paying attention to the drone and the power, but paying attention to the person I was talking to. And I was flying over a football field, and well, the battery just ran out of power and plunk, fell in the football field. And then I had to go retrieve it and jump over this large fence. So check this out really quick. All right, let's go get it. All right, as always, I was having so much fun flying that I forgot to check out the battery levels. I do that all the time. So my little 95X is over in the football field, which I'm driving to go get right now. Here, I'll just spin this around. See that sign that says wrong way? Well, we're not going that way. But we are going to go this way. I'm going to have to jump that fence, I think, yeah, because it's locked. There we go. Here's the fence, and I see my little drone right over there waiting for me. So all I have to do now is get over this big fence. Oh, this should be funny. Don't know. All right, there you are. There you are. Beeping away. So the moral of the story is, if someone is talking to you, land the drone. Don't keep flying, because you'll lose track of everything. All right, guys, I'm going to put a link below to where you can get these motors. They are not super cheap, because I think they're like $10 a piece. So multiply that by 4, something like that. But the props are very inexpensive. So I'll put links to both of these below. If you have the Beta 95X, I know this all works on the version 3. I don't know if it works on the version 2 or the version 1, because I don't have those drones anymore, so I can't test it. But it definitely works on the version 3. So if you want to turn your Betafpv 95X version 3 into like a superhero drone with superpower, that's like a freestyle drone or something, well then, yeah, get this upgrade. All right, guys, thanks for watching the video. Catch you in the next one.